Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install MG Pro EA and the strategy behind it and how to put your setting. Alright, so you're going to get your MG Pro EA from sinryadvice.com. You can see here the add to cart option. After you've done the payment process, you will go to the next page, which is download page, and you will download the EA file. So you can see that down here we have installation steps and also recommended setting. It's very important you guys just follow given setting and don't go with your own. This is the best setting and it works the best for EA, so make sure you follow this setting. And at the end of the page also we have put some reviews from verified buyers. These are all our verified buyers and their review about MG Pro. Alright, so after you done with the payment process and you download the file is gonna look like this. So it's a raw file, you don't need to click on it to open it, you need to install it in your MT4. Alright, so you will right click on your Metatrader 4 and go to open file location, and then from this open file location you're gonna click on Meta Editor, and from Meta Editor you need to right click on Expert and open folder, and after you open that folder you just need to drag and drop the file inside this Expert folder. So this is how you done it for Windows, but if you are using Mac and you have Metatrader 4 on your app on your Mac, it's almost the same. You just go to application, you right click and open the file location, and you just browse the folder to find Expert folder. I think you need to go to MQL5 folder and just search there. You just browse the folder, you will find the Expert folder, and just drag and drop the file there. All right, so when you're done with this, you close the tabs and then you restart your MT4. All right, let's do it here. You refresh it. All right, so from your MT4, let me open a new chart, EURUSD. All right, so here you're gonna see the MG Pro EA name in Expert Advisor folder. What you need to do is you need to go to our page, and we have recommended 5 pairs. As you can see, the names are here, so you need to open one of all of them one by one. So EURUSD, forget about these things, these are our other indicators. So EURUSD, let me open the what we have here. AUD CAD, AUD CAD, and CAD CHF, CAD CHF. All right, then the other two we just I'm not going to do it now. You just open them, and I don't want to waste time. So quickly I'm going to show you how to install it. So first you need to put the time frame on 5 for all the charts, 5 minutes. All right, so the next thing you need to do is just drag and drop the file on this. All right, so you can see the MG Pro first page. Next you need to go to input section, but before that you guys need to have a license key to run this EA. So in order that we have said that you need to email us your 2 licenses. We are giving 2 free licenses with this EA, one demo account and one real account. So you just copy and paste your account MT4 trading account number to our email at sinryadvice@gmail.com. You send the demo and real account number to our email, and then in less than 24 hours we're gonna issue the key for you. So once you got the key, you need to actually insert it here. So let me get my key. one moment. So the key usually looks like this, is a combination of numbers. All right, so you're going to click on MG Pro, you're going to click on the key section and paste the key here. You will leave the other setting as default. You don't need to change anything, and just press OK. All right, so after that you will see the notes on the left side and also a smiley face on the right side. So that means your EA is working correctly. If you don't see the notes or a smiley face, a sad face, that means your setup is not correct or somewhere is wrong. Next thing is make sure your auto trading option is on, and sometimes you might not see these notes is coming. In that case, you need just to go to EA and go to comment and click on allow DLL imports. Sometimes it doesn't work, so if you click this and press OK, it's gonna work. All right, the next thing I want to tell you guys that this EA need to be online 24 hours. So there's two way. One typical way, make sure that your computer is online 24 hours. But the recommended way is using VPS. If you don't know what is VPS, is a online hosting that is an online computer, actually, in other words, that is a host. You're gonna buy that, and then your computer is gonna be online on VPS always, and then you can run the EA. All right, next thing is another setting is for each $500 fund in your account, we recommend to start with 0.01 lot size. If you want to go super low risk, we can recommend $1,000 account with 0.01, but this is like medium risk. But if you want to go very low risk, you can go more than 500 still with the 0.01, or you can, for example, if you have above 1,000, you can start with 0.01, and after you make 200-300 profit, then increase your size to 0.2. all right, so this EA doesn't have a fixed stop loss and take profit. It depends to the trading situation and how many open trade it has. The EA actually, we made it very smart so it can analyze the market, and also as we said, it has 12 inner indicators that will trade based on them, and it will see the situation and try if trades are more than 3 or 4 trades for one pair. It will analyze the situation, and depending on them, it will close the trade, and it doesn't follow the fixed stop loss and take profit. It depends on the situation and analysis of the market. All right, one very important thing that I want to say to you guys is, when you have this EA, you will see that there's some days that EA has many open trades, like 10-15 open trades or more than that, and they are in lost or negative. So if you see that, don't panic, that's normal. EA trades usually goes to negative, and then the EA will close them in profit or break even. So wait for it, don't rush, don't try to close the negative by yourself or manually. It will usually take time. It's not a scalper. It doesn't trade on one day or few hours. It might take time. Each trade maybe 1 week or more than that. Also, it might be open. So this is so normal. Don't panic if you see lost trade, open trade. EA will close them in profit or break even. The next thing I want to tell you guys is, as long as we are giving 2 free license key, it's better for you guys to test it in demo first, troubleshooting. Maybe some part of setting is wrong or you haven't installed it right. So make sure you run this EA on demo, and make sure you follow the given steps and all the given setting, and also follow the money management you have. So as I said, we need to run this on 5 pairs. I already done in my other account. So you can see these are the 5 pairs of 5-minute chart, and you're gonna look like this: notes and a smiley face. And this EA actually is for long-term plan. You don't you can't judge it by few days or few weeks working on it. So make sure you follow the setting and run it for long term. In long term, we have tested. Our MyFX book is new, but in the back test we have more than 6 month or 7 month test, and this is the best setting and best result for this EA. So just try to use it on a long term. The drawdown for this is not gonna be, if you follow the money management setting, it's not gonna be more than 30% drawdown, and that 30% is on open trade. It means when the EA has open trade, it might go up to 20 or 30% down in negative, but it's gonna close them in break even or profit. So closed trade will not get to more than 10% in drawdown. And another thing, guys, that regarding the profit, how much profit you can make with this EA. Some of you guys might be new to Forex, so I want to say to overall guys, making 10 to 20% per month in Forex in the low risk is great. It's like super great. So ask those professionals. Making 10 to 20% profit per month is just crazy number. And this EA we are expecting to make around 10 or in the good days up to 30% 30 profit per month. So don't expect that more than 40%, 50%, and these are not going to be logic, and they are very high risk. If you see some people are promising you more than 40%, 50% profit monthly, they are fake scammers. Don't go with them. This Forex is not like binary, or is not like gambling. All right, so 10 to 20% per month is great with a low risk. And we have a MyFX book link here that you can see our EA result on live account. Here you can click and see, and when you get the EA, you need to get exact result as us. So it's not like it's gonna work for everyone differently. No, when you have this EA, you're gonna make profit exactly like our myfxbook.com. But in 23rd or 24th September, we had an update, and we have updated the EA. So you might see a big drawdown in MyFX book. This is due to the update, which we close the trade manually and we update our robot. So if you see that drawdown, is because we did it, it's not by EA. Just note that. And next thing is the goal of EA is to close every week in profit. And also you might see that same EA, or the EA that they are really working good in the market, they are above $1,000 or $500 in price, but we try to put the price very low comparing to good EAs and the category that it's in it. So we put the price very low so everyone can buy and enjoy the EA. And also, as we said, we have refund policy. If you don't if you follow the given setting and you don't make profit, you can refund full 100% refund the money that you paid for EA. But make sure that you follow the given setting exactly, otherwise you're not going to get the result as we promised. All right, so also we have a free updates, so whenever there is an update, we're gonna send it by email to you for free, so don't worry about that. And one more thing, that the last thing I want to add actually is about our team, Sinry Advice. We are a registered company, and we are a team of developer that we always analyze the market and make try to give the best and the most profitable EA and indicators for Forex trading. This is this MG Pro is one of our best EA so far, which works great in long term. And if you follow this and have this EA for long term, the result and the profit it's gonna give you makes you really crazy. It's gonna blow your mind away. And good luck, guys. If anything else, you just try to email us or just talk to us through the live support chat in the website. And that's all.